guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Klea. If you're new here, I'm going to be doing a huge haul, my little monthly series of showing everything I bought in the month. It's usually a lot of stuff because I have a serious issue. If you want to see me style all these pieces, definitely follow me on Instagram. I'll put my name right here and let's get into it. So the first place that I shopped is Zara. They have so many cute things right now for spring. I'm so excited. I'm so over the cold weather. I only want to wear cute spring things. So I got 2 pairs of shoes. The first thing I got is these white boots. They kind of look like rain boots. I don't really know what they are, but I have been seeing them all over Instagram, like in a bunch of different colors, and I really wanted the white ones. I've worn them so many times already, honestly, and they look so cute with so many outfits. Like, I'm actually obsessed. And I think I'll be wearing these definitely for the next few months throughout the spring as well. And it's really annoying about Zara is that I'm a 7 and they don't have a 7. They only have a 6.5 and a 7.5, and every time I get the 7.5, they're like a little bit big and they like hurt me in the back. But whatever, I'm excited to have these. And then I also got another pair of white shoes. These ones are the classic Zara sneakers. Sorry, these are like both kind of dirty. I've been wearing them like honestly with every outfit. These are the classic like Zara sneakers. They've been out for a while, but now you can custom. And I wrote my name. It's on both shoes on the side, and they're so cute. I've been wearing these also so many times, and I'm gonna definitely be wearing them with the dresses and stuff throughout the whole spring and summer, which is what I love about them, because since they are customized, I love that I can wear them like through every season. I got 2 really cute pieces for the spring. Cutest colors. First thing I got is this little set. It's a tank, bubblegum pink little tank top. And it comes with the matching little bolero cardigan. This style is so trendy right now, like the little tank top with the matching tiny cardigan. I think it's so cute, and how stunning is this color? Pink is my favorite color if you don't already know. And then I got another pink thing. This is also stunning. It's a dress. It's like an A-line dress, and it's like a little turtleneck. And then it has a slit on the bottom. And I haven't tried these on yet, but I'm so excited to put them on. I think they're going to be so freaking cute. I will probably wear these 1,000 times. And the material's like very nice and thick. I love Zara. Honestly, like everything I get there is pretty good. Except I am annoyed about the shoe size thing. Like, same thing with the sneakers. I had to get a 7.5 and they like hurt me in the back. So I think I might try getting a 6.5 and see if that helps my problem. Okay, next I picked up a few things from SHEIN. I got this little cardigan thing. It's just like a white button-up cardigan, ribbed. Really cute. I have this already in brown and I really like it, so I picked up a white one as well. I wanted it specifically for this pair of pants. You'll see the outfit on my Instagram very soon. And then another white thing I got is this little white fluffy bag. I like mostly shop on SHEIN like purposefully when I'm looking for something specific in my head that I probably like. This, I don't know how many times I'll wear it, but I think it's really cute for now. It's definitely like a very trendy piece. And I have a little cloud sweater you've probably seen in a few hauls ago that I think this will be very cute with. And then I got these zebra pants. They tie up around the waist. I have these in brown as well, and I had to get another color because they're so flattering, and I think tie-up pants are going to be a big thing in the upcoming spring, summer. And I really like the pattern. I think it's super cute and they're super flattering. I'm definitely really excited to wear these. And then I just picked up a little tank top. This was literally, I bought it for no reason, of course, as all of these things in this video, but I just thought it was cute. They have a lot of cute, like, really cheap tank tops, and they're honestly pretty good quality. It's just like houndstooth, and it has like a lime green lining, and then it's like pink. Just thought it was cute. I also wore this. I'll be posting it on Instagram very soon. And then the last thing, this is a dupe for something. I don't know exactly what brand, but Matilda Jerf has worn it before, and I just think it's so cute. I'm gonna wear this soon as well, and it's like just a green velvet. I think the color is so pretty, but I am a little bit annoyed because it's very large and I wanted it to be like tight. So I was debating returning it, but then I realized I could just like tie it or like clip it in the back and it was like fine. So I think just for a photo it's gonna be fine. I'm very dramatic and I buy things only for photos. SOS. Okay, next I got two really cute things from Etsy. I've been obsessed with like cute shaped candles, and the first one I got is this little angel baby. The glare is kind of bad, but it's so cute. I can't wait to put this. I'm gonna bring this to my apartment and put it somewhere. I don't know, but it's gonna be stunning wherever I put it. And then I got two cute little cloud candles. These will be going wherever the angel baby goes as well. I'm super excited for these. Okay, so next I got just one thing from PRETTYLITTLETHING. I got a white skirt. It's just like a, not leather, but it's supposed to be leather. And it has like two slits on both sides. I wanted this, like, I was just looking for a white skirt and I googled white skirt and this was the first thing that came up. So it was definitely very handy for that. I have worn it and it came out really cute. And then I got a few things from Nordstrom's beauty section. So the first thing I got was this little Gucci perfume. I saw this on Emma Ledger's story and I thought it was the cutest thing ever, so I had to get it. I'm also very picky with perfume scents and I really like this one. And the bottle is just like so cute and aesthetic. I really like the colors, and then the back says, "We're not together, but we should be." And I think it's the cutest thing. So I'm gonna display this probably with the cute candles. We'll see. And then I picked up the Buxom Plump Line lip liner in Hush Hush. I was seeing this like all over TikTok and I was looking for a new lip liner. I'm wearing it today. It's the perfect color. It's like the exact color I want my lip liner to be. It looks very natural and I really like how this applies. The tip is like super thick and I just feel like it applies really nicely and you can like fill in your whole lips with it and not have to put anything on top, which I like. So you should definitely pick this up if you're in need of a new everyday shade. Okay, this might be my next thing, might be my favorite thing I got. I also saw Matilda Jerf. I'm obsessed with her, if you don't or haven't already noticed, wearing this brand of snow boots, and I've been in the market for a new pair of winter boots. So I picked up these so freaking cute pink ones, and they're from the brand INUIKII, I think it's called. It's like from German, I think it's from Switzerland actually. And they are just like pink. The bottom is like a sneaker and then it just has like the rope laces. They're so comfy. There's pink fur inside. Super like luxury nice snow boots, and I definitely wanted to splurge a little bit because they're just like super good quality and I know they're not gonna get ruined, and I really like that the bottom, like you can step in snow and it's not gonna mess up the boot. Whereas like Uggs, like when you step in snow, it messes up the side, you know, and looks ugly. Yeah, I'm super excited to have these. I'm kind of got them like towards the end of the cold season, but it's fine. I know like I'll definitely have these for the next few years for sure. Okay, next I got a few things from Forever 21. The first thing I got is this brown dress. It's like a ruche all around and it has puffy sleeves. I actually have something very similar. I thought it was going to be the same exact dress, but it's not. It's just similar from Forever 21, and I have it in black. So I wanted to get the brown one. Obviously, you guys know I've been obsessed with brown lately, and I just feel like it looks super cute, especially with my new brown hair. But I know my black one is like super nice and flattering. I haven't tried this on yet, but I'm sure this will be as well. And then the second thing I got, I'm a little bit annoyed about because I thought it was going to be like a matching set, like the pink I got from Zara, but it's not. It's just the cardigan, and the tank top didn't come with it. It was sold separately. And I tried to go on Forever 21 to see where the tank top is, but I can't find it anywhere. So now I just have this little orange cardigan. I'm not sure I will end up wearing it because I really wanted it with the cardigan with the tank underneath. But we'll see. Maybe I'll find an outfit for this. It's still really cute anyway. It's just like, you know, I got my hopes up for the set, but whatever. And then lastly for this video, I picked up some things from Amazon. I'm like constantly ordering things from there. So the first thing I got, like, it looks super confusing, not on the body, but it's like a little tank top and it's like cowl neck, and then you tie it at the top like a halter, and then you tie it in the back as well. I think this will be a super cute like summery top, and it's double lined as well, so I don't think it's gonna be see-through, but the back is completely opened. Beware, so you will have to wear sticky boobs or like no bra with it. And then I also got, I don't have it next to me, but I got a beading kit because everyone's been having the cute little phone chain, so I wanted to DIY one. I bought like a beading kit thing and I made my own. It's so freaking cute. I just did like a little color scheme and I wrote KLEAMXO, which is like my Insta and TikTok name, so go follow me if you don't already. And then I got a few just like little things. I got these like bands we all used to wear when we were like 6 years old. I wanted to pick up a few. I think they look cute with like sweatshirts and like casual outfits and stuff. And then it was like $2. It's just gray, black, and navy. And then I don't have all of it next to me, but I bought like a whole gel nail setup. So I bought like the lamp, I bought like a whatever glue on nails like the kind that actually have at the nail salon, so they're like good quality. I researched the best glue. I got like 20 nail polishes and the lamp. I got the whole thing. I'm not going to the nail salon anymore because I have all the supplies, and this is my second time doing nails and they actually came out so cute. I'm definitely obsessed with it and I'm enjoying doing them at home. So for my next set, I'm gonna attempt doing a design. So I picked up these little nail brushes. There's just like different kinds of tips, and then colorful, and then the end is just like a little ball so you can do like dots and stuff for design. So we'll see how this turns out for me. I can definitely do like a whole video on how I do my nails at home, so let me know if you guys would want to see that. I also am gonna link everything in this whole haul in the description below, so if you're interested in buying anything, check down there for the links. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and let me know if you have any video suggestions of what you want to see on this channel or what you want to see more of. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe too.